she's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one.
Hey friends, it's Kevia. Welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, we are picking up where we left off. In my previous video, I did make a trip to IKEA to get some organization items. So I'm just going to get those washed, and I'll be washing a bunch of stuff by hand. You all will see I did purchase some items from Amazon, and I also picked up a few items from Ross. So if you are looking for some organization motivation, you have clicked on the right video. So I really hope you all enjoyed this one.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.
I wanted to do a quick takedown of this garland on the fireplace. I did decorate this for the new year. So with this day being the last day of January when I took this down, I was like, let me go ahead and just do it while I'm thinking about it. I'm not doing anything for Valentine's Day. I probably will put some things up for Easter, but I always have a hard time trying to figure out what to do with the fireplace outside of the holidays. So I'm not really going to show you a after. I did put a few items up here, but it's nothing special to like really show you guys. You'll see me putting some stuff up here, but I'm going to play around with some things and possibly look for some items to switch it up. But I do need to look at some inspiration photos to figure out what I would like to do.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chance?
Okay, so I wanted to show you all an overall look of the pantry. I do have a lot of containers in here, and that's what I am trying to eliminate is mismatched containers and just so many that I don't like how cluttered it looks. So in this video, what I really wanted to do was eliminate as many of these containers as I possibly could. The ones that you see me taking off of the top shelf I've had for so long. So I definitely wanted to get rid of these and switch over to the glass containers that you see here. So let's get started.
Feeling really bad, got a whole lot of problems, but they're always by you. I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them. I don't know what to do. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you go. Trying to move on, looking for someone, but I keep thinking about you. Yeah, yeah. You've been in my head for so long, trying to forget, but it's so hard. Yeah, it's so hard. Yeah, I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you go. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad.
Okay, I just got back in from Ross and I found a few more items for the pantry. I wish I would have been able to find a few more of these. I'll have to check another Ross location. But these are the stackable storage bins, a little smaller than the ones I was looking at on Amazon. Amazon's are a bit more pricey, but these will work as well. But these were $6.99 in Ross, so a really good deal. They only had two, so I did grab those two, and then I got these as well. And then they only had two of these, and these were $6.99. I'm going for that bamboo look, and this is what I've done so far. I just need to put labels on stuff, and I still have to figure out what I'm going to put in some of these other containers. I did grab these from IKEA, but I realized it's not a whole lot of bulk items that I use besides rice and pasta. And the elbow noodles, I did get a bigger box of that this time because let me just get a bigger box this time because I'm constantly buying it. And then as far as other pastas, I just buy the bow tie pasta here and there, and I'll get this one sometimes. This one I'm just leaving empty. I buy stuff periodically. It's not like it's the same stuff that I buy all the time, besides the elbow noodles and the rice. And as far as sugar goes, I don't even think I'm going to fill that up to the top because we don't use sugar like that. My husband drinks coffee, but he used monk fruit. So I think I'm just going to keep that as is. I only have this much brown sugar because I was using it during the holidays. That's the only time I really bake, and the same with the flour. So I'm not going to be filling that up to the top because I know it's just going to be sitting there. And as far as other pastas, lasagna noodles, of course, I forgot to grab some when I was at the store, and the fettuccine, and then spaghetti, of course. Then I was able to find this on Amazon. I also forgot to get some. You know what? I didn't forget. I just didn't go to Walmart because that's where I was supposed to get everything from, but I didn't stop at Walmart. So I need to get some more of these sunflower seeds because I like to put that on my salads, and not sure what I'm putting that one, but I'll just have that as an extra container just in case. So I have all of these labels, which is great. So I'm going to go through these and label everything. And then I also picked up a few things from Whole Foods, and I got some stuff from Aldi. Okay, this is what I picked up from Burlington. This is only 2 items. I have like 4 more items, but I just put them in a closet. There's some pictures, but this was $4.99. It's just a little small vase, but I really like the way that this looks, so I decided to grab this, and then these little glasses right here. And I think these were three. Yeah, these were $3.99. I'm probably gonna put these either in my office or I can use it as coffee table decor. So yes, I'm gonna finish this off. I think I'm gonna eat first, and then I'll finish labeling those items so I can get all of this stuff off of my counter because I hate the way that it is looking. It's looking so cluttered right now, and I hate clutter. And then you guys saw when I filled this, I was looking for something else to sit this on when I was in Ross, but they didn't have what I was looking for. So I'm just going to keep it on that for now until I can find exactly what I am looking for.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew. Then you we don't stop. Got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you feel it fresh and lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place. Now my place is your place. Let's face it, baby. You know all the places.
All right, I am finishing up the last of the items before I show you all what I have done. I will be sending majority of these items to my mom. I already started creating the box for her, so this is a reminder of how the pantry looked before, and then this is what I have done so far. Also keep in mind, this is not a complete makeover. That will be coming soon. I actually already started purchasing the items that's going to be going in here, so all the wire shelving will be coming out of this pantry. So I do have a few more organization items that I am looking for, but I will be doing a complete pantry makeover. I just wanted to get started on a lot of the decluttering, and most of that decluttering had to do with a lot of the containers that I had in here that I've had for years now. I did want to switch over to glass containers, so I do like this concept a lot better. Alright, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you all made it to the end. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.
Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth